Good morning. Welcome to Kansas Sunshine.
Okay. So, welcome back, guys. At video number 3. And we are about to do a French fry challenge. You explain.
We're gonna buy French fries.
We're gonna buy French fries
and
and eat them. But we're gonna blindfold ourselves so we don't know where. You know what I'm saying?
That wasn't English.
Basically, we're gonna go around for like every French fry, anything that has French fries, any place that got French fries, we're gonna get the French fries, and then we're gonna taste it, and whoever gets the most correct, you know,
wins. We'll choose what later, but
let's do it. Interesting fact.
Okay.
French fries
are made of chicken.
That's a good answer.
But
that is a good answer.
But I'm vegan.
Oh, he is vegan, yes.
French fries derived from the word fry, French. Do your thing, Gaby.
Hello?
Hello, welcome to Chick-fil-A. This is Sam speaking. How may I serve you?
Hi, can we just get one large fry?
Just a large fry?
Yeah, and no bones, because one time I got it and there was this hard thing in it. I don't know what it was. But can we just get it with just the fries?
Just the fries?
Yes, thank you.
Here.
We're at Popeyes now.
We at Popeyes. Hold on, let's show them. We at Popeyes. Popeyes.
Rolling up.
We rolling up the crib.
How can I help you?
Hi, can we just get a large fry?
Anything else?
No, that's it. But can you just make sure there's nothing in it? Because, like, when we got fries last time, there was, like, something hard. I think it was, like, a bone or something like that. But can you just make sure it's just the fries? Thank you.
Like a meal?
No, just regular, just large fry.
Each one's gonna be $4.85. Come to a window, thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Expensive?
It's so expensive. What's it called? Chick-fil-A was only $2.49.
Eduardo!
They come just for the fries.
Thank you.
We out here in Burger McKing.
Now open.
Honestly, their Whopper do kind of smack. I don't know. Tell me what you feel about that Whopper.
I'm vegan.
He's vegan. Come on, Gaby.
Please move forward to the next order.
Next one.
Man, what the? Who are you talking to like that?
Hey! Hello? Hey, can I get a large fry?
Large fries, sir?
That's it, but can you hold the beef? I don't like the violence.
Oh, sorry, sir, can you hear you?
Can you hold the beef? I don't like the violence.
Okay, cool. Large fries, a total of $2.85.
Thank you. Thank you. No beef, right? No. Ian drawing.
You mean?
Yes, ma'am.
Large
Thank
fry,
you.
large fry. Let me see that. Large fry.
Drive-through system is down right now. We open only inside.
Oh, for real? Oh, that's wild.
Oh, we gotta go inside. Hey guys, we at Wendy's after the vlog. In the vlog.
So basically, I'm gonna need a large fry. Large fry. Well, when you tell Wendy, red hair is out of fashion. Here at KFC. Here you go. Hello.
Hello?
Oh my. Hello.
Hello, how can I help you today?
I got a complicated order.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna need a large fry. But I'm gonna need 13 fries in it for every one of my sons. I'm being so serious. I need 13 fries in the large fry. They need to be equal in length.
What did you say?
I need a large fry, but 13 fries only.
All right, $4.23.
What do I want, a drink? Yes, sir. You got 13 fries? 13 fries. Yes, ma'am.
Now, what did you say you wanted?
13 fries.
Okay, 13 what fries?
13 regular, no, like 13 singular fries in the fry.
423.
420, all right, here you go.
I'm actually a 13 fry.
Yo, say hi to the vlog.
You vlogging?
Hell yeah.
What's your YouTube channel?
Oh,
It's a bad name.
it's a bad name.
What is it?
Tell him.
Vegan and carrot. That's what I'm saying. Vegan and carrot.
Vegan and carrot?
Carrot. Just carrot.
It's bad. We're gonna.
It's a bad name, but
Check y'all out. I'm gonna check y'all out.
hell yeah.
Spin back through. Spin back through.
Right now?
No, anytime for real.
We here in McDonald's. Yes. Hello?
Hello?
Is this not KFC?
Say it again?
Is this KFC?
Nah, you got the wrong place. KFC's right next door.
Oh, for real? All right. Let me get a large fry. I mean, you want some fries? I can get you some fries too.
Do I want some fries?
Yeah, you know I can buy you some fries.
Man, this is up to you.
All right, make that 2 fries. I got you with a fry.
Alright, 2 large fries.
Yeah. What would you recommend?
I like the chicken tenders.
I'm gonna go with some mayonnaise.
Some mayonnaise?
Yeah.
Dude, you gotta stop messing around. Cause
Nah, I'm serious. Mayonnaise.
you just want mayonnaise.
Yeah, like straight mayonnaise.
Alright. Is that it?
Yeah, 2 large fries, mayonnaise.
Alright.
Yo, say hi to the vlog. He dipped.
Come back!
Yo, why he dip like that? Don't be camera shy. I know
Don't be shy. Where's the car? Don't be shy. Get in the car. Get in the car. Don't be shy. Get in the car.
Open up. What's up, bro? Say hi to the vlog.
What's up?
Yo, you get my large fry though, right?
I don't know.
All right, make sure you take one.
What?
Before we go in, do you want to say anything to the camera?
No.
Here are the final standings. All right, so basically what we're gonna have to do, have to mash up the fries or whichever ones we go for in order to conceal their identity. Because if I'm eating a waffle fry, oh, it's KFC. Obviously, you know it's Chick-fil-A, right? Right.
We're gonna be blindfolded, and we're gonna eat the fries.
And
Whoever
then
guesses them the most wins.
In your mouth.
I know it. It's Popeyes.
All right, second one. All right, hold up. Second one. Let me mash this piece. Let me mash it up real quick. Let me mash it up right quick. Here you go, sir.
Multiple? Can I take the other?
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. You got 10 seconds.
Where do we go? Wait. Well, let's go.
10, 9, 8,
That's because
7. Okie dokie, here comes the food train.
Chick-fil-A.
No!
Stop!
How you feel about this drip, y'all? I told y'all he sucks at this.
No, darn.
Why is he looking at me with that eyes?
Easy. Wait. Easy.
Gonna get 13 fries.
Alright, you got it.
Last one, because you know he got a couple wrongs. Don't touch it. You don't touch it.
Burger King. Right? That one was not flattering at all.
You got 3 wrongs.
Stop. What?
You got 3 right.
Where's Chick-fil-A?
That was
That was Chick-fil-A? That one was trash.
actually, hold up. There's one more. You got 3 wrong and 2 right. My bad.
No.
Yes, I have one more. I promise. Tell me. You gotta tell me.
Okay, I'll make a Burger King again. Stop.
4 wrong, 2 right. Why did you say it out loud?
Chicken fillet. Open. Here.
Give me a warning. Give me.
Put it in.
Oh, that's easy. What flavor? I think it's Chick-fil-A. Is it not?
No.
What was that?
I'm not telling you.
Oh, this is kind of hard. Are you showing the camera? Which ones are you doing? Because that was KFC.
Mine.
Yo, you see that bird outside? In the front. What is
Hand out.
And out. No combos. What the hell is this? Soggy. Flavorless. Bland. Chick-fil-A. Yes!
Now we doing it. Now you don't know.
Ew. Ew.
That's what I'm saying. They don't taste good. I don't know why.
I can't see it. I can't taste it. Is this a? Is this a? Birkin? 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 Yes!
That's cheap.
Keep it coming.
Put it in.
Keep it coming.
Put it in. Open. Open.
Thumbs out. Popeye's the sailor man. Okay, guys, since Gabe lost, I'm gonna have to come up with a little dare for him. If you see me in school or if you have my Instagram, DM me any ideas, cause I'm trying to embarrass him. So yeah, take the L.
Or you can DM me. You know, don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Put some more. Don't be shy. Put some more. Put some more. Don't be shy. Put some more. Don't be shy. Put some more. Put some more. Don't be shy. Put just. Don't be shy. Put some more. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Put some more. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Put some more. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Put some more.